Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I needed a really simple side dish and I had a whole bunch of baby carrots that I needed to use up. They were going to still be fresh for probably like another week, but I have a lot of them. So I was thinking of roasting them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It came out really delicious. It's really something good that you can make, especially for kids, because with baby carrots, you know, they're already small. It also saves time on prep because baby carrots are already sliced. There's no skin on it or anything, so they're ready to go. Ready to cook, ready for you to do whatever you please with them. Alright guys, let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe or if you love to roast veggies as much as I do. And I'll talk to you later. So you'll need 4 cups of baby carrots. Go ahead and put them on a pan, just spread them all out and have them ready for all the seasonings you're going to add to it. You're going to be using some extra virgin olive oil. You can use avocado oil as well. That also takes high heat very well. Sea salt, turmeric, and black pepper. Put your oven at 425 so it can preheat. And while that's preheating, getting ready, you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of your oil. Sprinkle your sea salt. This is about a teaspoon of sea salt, about a teaspoon of black pepper, and then about a teaspoon of your turmeric. Turmeric is really good for you. It's an anti-inflammatory agent, so it's something I always like to add into my diet on a daily basis. Then you're going to go ahead and mix it all around, make sure it's well coated. And then after you make sure everything is well coated, you can go ahead and put it in the oven. It should be heated by this point. So just open it up and pop it in. And you're going to leave it in there for about 30 minutes. So after about 30 minutes, you want to take it out and just mix it up a little. A lot of the oil will be settled to the bottom of the pan. It'll kind of, drizzle down the carrot. So you want to mix it up again to get it nice and coated and juicy again, because the top will start to dry out a little bit and you don't want that because you're going to be popping it back in. So go ahead and mix it up. You can see the bottom is really nice. It's getting that nice roasted touch to it. Once you mix it all up, you're going to go ahead and pop it back in for another 15 minutes. So it should be a total of 45 minutes, give or take 5 to 10 minutes depending on your oven. And once you pop it in, leave it in there for 15 minutes, pull it out. And then what I like to do is add a drop of lemon oil and a drop of oregano oil. You can add it to the carrots. It's going to give it a nice flavor. Go ahead and mix it up. And one thing I thought about as I was doing this is, it would be really nice to do is make your own infused olive oils or like avocado oils. So you could take a spray bottle, put some of your oil in there. It'll be like a carrier oil like you would be doing if you're going to make some type of beauty product. You can put your avocado oil or your olive oil into a spray bottle and then put 1 drop of the lemon, 1 drop of the oregano, mix it up, and then use that as your spray. I think that would be really good. Because when you add the drop in there by itself, it's kind of hard to make sure it's even. So when you're putting it in with the carrier oil and then spraying it on your veggies before and after, I think that would be nice. It's easier to coat everything. So yeah, I'm just tossing it up now. It came out really good. And then I'm going to plate it up and then put some fresh lemon juice over it. So like I was saying, this is a nice side dish. If you're eating mono meals, you could use it as a mono meal as well. Sometimes we just like to, snack on one thing at a time. That's good too. But this is super tasty. This would be good too with some dill. I think that would really pop and have the flavors coming through really well. Yeah, so this is the recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The last recipe I did was tofu noodle stir fry. If you want to check that out, I'll leave it in the description box below, as well as all the ingredients that you need for this simple recipe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!